In front of me is the Huawei Mate X6, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. To get started, you will want to open up your settings. We have it right here. And then we will scroll all the way down to System and Update, Reset Phone. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and basically user data. Anyway, we're going to swipe down, select Reset Phone. You do have the option to back up your device on the second page right here, but I do want to point that out. This backup will be done to specifically Huawei Cloud. So if you're trying to, for instance, sell this device and you're backing up the device so you can have access to this data on your new phone, and that new phone isn't a Huawei, you will not be able to access this data, because not only are you basically uploading your personal data to someone else's computer, you then get stranglehold and don't have access to this data as long as you don't buy the same brand phone. So be very mindful of that. In any case, I don't have anything here that I want to back up, and even if I did, I wouldn't be backing it up to a closed off source like Huawei Cloud. I would prefer to do a backup to my own drive or computer. So anyway, I'm going to select Reset Phone, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. This process will take about a minute to 2 minutes tops to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.